Hey everyone, it's Rob Gore. So this is actually take two of my video. The first one I did was I went through and actually drew this, but the video was like 10 minutes long, so that was a little extra. So I'm gonna redo this and just kind of go through the different parts. So overall, we have the cell, which is made up of the cell membrane, which sort of encapsulates the cell. Within here is the cytoskeleton, which is a network of proteins that sort of helps form the shape of the cell. And then the cytoplasm is everything inside the cell, and that consists of the organelles and the cytosol, which is mostly water. It's a fluid that inside. All right, and so we'll just go through each part. First of all, we have the nucleus is kind of the control center of the cell. It's got like a double wall, double membrane here, and contiguous with that coming out of it is the endoplasmic reticulum. And there are two types. There's this rough endoplasmic reticulum, and it's called rough because it has ribosomes attached to it, and I'll talk about those in a sec. And then there is the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. That's continuous with the rough. Doesn't have ribosomes in it, but it serves the purpose of detoxifying the cytoplasm. The rough produces proteins as well. So ribosomes are created inside the nucleolus, which is right here. And ribosomes perform a function of reading the blueprints and creating proteins to be used by the cell and by the body. Next, we have these lysosomes. Lysosomes are sort of like I think they're kind of like the trash collector, maybe. It's a special type of Golgi vesicle. It's like a small hollow pocket inside the cell, and it contains enzymes. So these enzymes travel through the cell, and they break things down, unwanted materials and stuff like that. That is produced, but in the Golgi vesicles. Next, let's talk about the peroxisomes, which I think are really cool. They physically resemble the lysosomes, but they're produced by the endoplasmic reticulum, the ER. It helps to detoxify the cytosol by producing hydrogen peroxide, or H2O2. So that's kind of something cool that I learned. I didn't think that our bodies made that substance, and they do. I've used it on cuts and things like that growing up, so I thought that was pretty cool. Let's see, what else do we have? We have my favorite part, which is the mitochondria. These are sort of the powerhouse of the cell. They synthesize ATP and I think also some other carbohydrates. They have these little structures inside called cristae, and like I said, they're the powerhouse of the cell. Cells requiring more energy have more mitochondria in them. And then finally, inside the middle here, we have the centrioles. And these are two of these tube structures. They have these little mini microtubes in them, and one is perpendicular to the other one, and they go through and they sort of organize everything inside the cell and get it ready for cell division. So it happens. It's always found in pairs. Short cylindrical assembly of microtubes. So that is it for the cell. I think it's a really fun exercise. I'm glad we had to do it, and hope you all enjoyed it. Thank you.